Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Queensland tax payroll account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in qro.qld.gov.au. Now press enter and this will take you into the Queensland Taxation Department website. Now from this homepage, click on Login to QRO Online at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal right away. Now within the login section, simply type in your email address that you used to sign up for your account, followed by your account password. In case you have forgotten this password, you can click on Forgot Password in order to reset your credentials. Now if you're logging in from a private device, you can check on the box which says Keep Me Logged In. Otherwise, if you're using a public device, uncheck this box before clicking on the login button. Now after entering both of your credentials, click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on your Queensland payroll tax right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Queensland payroll tax account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.